Hello everyone, today I came up with another toy reviewing video and a very famous and viral toy. Let's see what it is. So yes, this is the famous dancing cactus. It is very trending right now and in Instagram, in Facebook, everywhere, wherever I see this dancing cactus on this. So let's review how does it work. This is what it looks like after opening. So the top part is green color and it is brown, as you can see, and this is made up of a cloth, a crochet I can say, and it have two big popped out eyes with red lining or smiley, and this is a brown color. Two brown colors are there. This is made up of velvet clothes, and if I see at the bottom, you can see this is one is that this is a chargeable point, and here it is on and off, and this is a rechargeable toy where you need not to buy extra batteries because it come with this wire, came up with this wire where you can put and charge. Like if you can attach this with your adapter, like from mobile and any device. If you want to charge this cactus, you can carry it and it is very easy to charge. So let's see how does it work. Let's switch it on. Hello, welcome to my channel. Please support my channel and subscribe and like my video. So you can see it repeats what you say, and it also light. There are three color light: blue, yellow and green. So this way it dances and talks. So it is very good for your kid, like they will say everything and this will repeat. It can repeat. So let's switch it off as it is repeating. So here is a press button. You can press it here for different songs. Like if you press it long, then again please subscribe and like and share. Thank you.